Hi folks, my name is John and you're watching JSRC. I've got a great little hack for you today. We all know about modern technology. Lithium ion batteries are the future, right? Well, they used to recommend with the old style batteries that you drain them all the way to empty and then fully charge them up again. Otherwise they would get that battery memory and the batteries become ineffective. Well, lithium ion batteries, you need to keep them topped up. If those batteries get down too low, they simply will not charge. Take this little Olympus compact camera that I've got. Been lying in a drawer somewhere for a long time. That battery is completely dead. If I just show you by pressing the button here, pressing the power button, or press that play button there that usually brings up the footage, absolutely nothing happening with this camera. We could try charging it, it is not going to work. This little battery is dead. So what I'm going to do is show you a nice little secret that's going to bring that battery back to life. I'll open this catch now, just pop the battery out of there. Now if we take a look at the contacts on the top of the battery there, and we've got a little plus and a minus telling us which is the positive and which is the negative terminal of those contacts. What you need to do is get something with a more powerful battery on it. I've actually got my rechargeable drill here, and I'll just pop the battery off there and we'll take a look at this. So this too has battery contacts on the top. Just a little study there and work out which is which. Yep, so this side's positive, this side's negative. And what I've got, two little wires here. They've just got a little spade connector on the end, but that's not really important, and just bare wire at the opposite end. What I'm going to do is just hold those against the contacts there, and I've just got this little clip to fasten those in place just while I do what I need to do. Just a little bit awkward getting those in position. Once they're on there, okay, so those wires are now held in place. And what we're simply going to do is jump start this battery, if you like. We're going to add a tiny little bit of power from this battery into this battery, and it will bring it up to a level just high enough that now when I try and charge it, in theory the charger should recognise it, and we're going to bring that battery back to life. Do bear in mind that this needs to be quite quick. You don't want to hold those wires on there for too long. We just need to get a tiny little bit of charge into the cells of this battery, bring it back to life. So I've got my brown on the positive, the blue on the negative of this battery, and I'm going to match those up to the same contacts on this battery. So positive is the, as you're looking at it, the left hand side there, and negative is on your right hand side there. I'm simply going to touch these wires onto those contacts, that one on there, that one on there, and we're just going to hold them there for a few moments. Okay, I think that will probably do the trick. So I'm just going to disassemble that off there, put that to one side, and we can now put this battery back into here. There we go. So that's locked in place. Just close the catch there. Let's put this bad boy on charge and see how we get on. So I've got my charger here, just a USB charging cable. Yep, get that socket plugged into there, and let's put this bad boy on charge. There we go. We'll come back in a few hours and see how we've got on. Okay, so we've had this on charge for a few hours now. Let's take a look and see if it works. Just switch that off and unplug that. If you remember, there was absolutely no life in this. I'd already tried charging it and nothing was working. It was still completely and utterly dead. I tried my little hack there with the battery. So let's see, here's the moment of truth. Power button. Oh yes, we have life. See, the lens has popped out there. And we're back on there. It's asking me to enter the date and time and things like that. And then we start using this camera. Happy days, problem solved. Okay, thank you for watching. If you've liked this video or found it useful, remember to hit the thumbs up like or leave your comments below. This is JSRC.